Hi guys, welcome back to another Justmeta content creation tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can put together an FAQ for your website or your app really quickly and really effectively. So all we're going to do is we're going to go from the dashboard down to the AI panel and find templates. So you can either go to websites here or you can scroll. It's one of these green ones and there is FAQs, right? So we go to FAQs, we can say what our product name is. So let's say the name of our business is, let's call it Superhero Gym. And the product description is a gym for bodybuilders and those who like to lift heavy things and put them down. We're going to do an original level of creativity for this one, and for a tone of voice, I want to do something like trusting maybe, but you can go here and change it to whichever one you like. And then we just hit generate. So this is going to generate some FAQs for us. So over here, we're going to see our FAQs. We can copy and paste these and put these right on our website. We can come in here. We can edit them using the options across the top. Or when we highlight, we get some additional options down here. So it's just changing the tone, summarizing the writing, the whole 9 yards. But, this gives us a pretty good output. So what sets Superhero Gym apart from other gyms at Superhero Gym? We understand the unique needs and goals of bodybuilders and heavy lifters. Our state-of-the-art facilities are designed specifically cater to these individuals, providing them with necessary equipment and resources to achieve their fitness aspirations. Right. So these are pretty good. Maybe they apply to you, maybe they don't. But that's why you can edit them. You can also rerun this and see if you get some different results that you can include. As always, you can download the file right here, or you can save the document, which will then come up in your documents under account. So this is how you generate FAQs for your website or your app. This is a great tool. I use it all the time, so it's definitely something to keep in mind. Thank you guys for checking out this tutorial. We got over 70 different templates here on justmeta.com, and we're going to walk you through all of them. So join us in the next tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.